Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you the fix for slow charging on Motorola Razr R70 Plus. First go into settings and then battery settings. Make sure to enable the slow charging notification. When charging, make sure the cable isn't broken. You can test with another phone to check if your cable is broken. Flip your phone. The charging port is here. Clean it with non-metallic tools only. Don't use metal as it might damage the port. Use wooden sticks or compressed air. Also make sure you're using the original cable and charger. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.